Hi guys! So it's me again. Please don't forget to like and share. And today I'm gonna show you what I'm going to have for breakfast. A really delicious Philippine breakfast. So first of all, I'm going to marinate my beef with soy sauce, lemon, black pepper, and salt. And also garlic. So I'm just going to marinate this for at least 30 minutes. So after that guys, I'm just going to heat my cast iron so it's ready. So I'm just going to put all the beef all in there. So I'm just going to wait until it looks like this. So when it looks like this guys, it's ready. So now I'm just going to transfer it into my plate. So we're doing plating time. And after that guys, I just decided to have one egg. So I'm just going to do it with my hand. One hand, I'm just going to crack the egg. Oh my gosh, finally I did it. It's kind of failed, but that's fine since that I'm living alone, so nobody's gonna help me here. And after that guys, I'm just going to wait for the egg. So I just make sunny side egg, sunny side up egg. So that's my Tapsilog. So it's really delicious. And that's all guys. I wish I can share with you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.